feels it now? Who feels it now? Enough times we got me bed hungry. We couldn't go down and show me short and close. In a shame for time. Blessed love, good morning. Good morning, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Yeah, I say give thanks and praise to the Most High for life, health and strength, you know. Give thanks to the rising. Anyone today, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You can tell me I say health over wealth, you know. Yeah, man. If I see the image of your device, you know, lion foot. I am American ears and eyes. Zen. Yes, man, I say, boy. Sad, Jamaica and Jano, in a state right now where crime and violence is stemming from all angles. We see it there Craigtown, we see it there Jungle, we see it there. Most of the girls in them Waterhouse where they, you know what I mean? Old Harbour where they football match, you know? Mobile, you know, Mobile. Concurrent and going. As I say, Kingston country, all over crime and violence. And I tell you, say, boy, I don't like it, star. Yeah, man, but I just do that video mainly for my place, you know. You know, me and the man of peace. I don't know if my voice can reach, but you know, I'm going to pass it on. Yeah, man, Payneland Village, McCoy Lane, Delacree Lane, Mongoose Town, Espute, Crescent Road, 2 Mile, Flatbridge, Bellrock, Cockburn Pen, Cling, White Wing, Back to. All of them places I run up and down as a youth. You know, football, basketball match. Remember back in the days when we used to left go and play a basketball match. Payneland against versus Back to Ghana, Cockburn Pen go and play basketball match, football match. Them things that can't go on again. Them days are not go on again. You get me? Nowadays that can't go on. Because if you stray a certain way, man, go to all spot and bump you, all because you come from that area there, or because you mix up. Now when me and youth grow, Mr. Youth could have go anywhere. All when war go on, you know? We could have go anywhere. The man that we are war not trouble me. And some of my friends them. You know, so I say this to say this right now. You see like war out, we broke out again. In and around my circle there, Payneland, where the man drop out in a Payneland. Condolence to the family, them papa, you know. Don't know what go on, but I say condolence. Because when you don't like for yourself, you don't wish for another. I know we wish that upon no one, I wish that upon no one, so condolence to the families them. So I say, yeah man, look at you to me know too, you know. Rest in peace. Jano. Now I hear say next man drop out at Delacree Lane. And one thing we study and learn about the garrison them. When war start one place, it's like it spread. It's like it a spread star, you see me? I mean I beg the youth them. Youths. I beg you know. Stop the crime. Protect yourself, stop the crime. Think before you act. Zine, think before you act. Some of us that are fighting, we don't have a burial money. You see me? But we're warring over our turf are to be done. You know, or over a woman. Come on, man, the whole of we go together. The whole of we go together. But yes, still we grew in a war against one another and a kill off one another. Me and you grew. And it's so sad if you know say my auntie come kill my cousin, Jano Star. Payneland, Village, Delacree Lane. Mackay Lane. I beg you, please. Hold it, man, hold it. Because I want thing, you know. It's either dead house or prison, you know. I know the police them not laugh, you don't know. See? So the choice is in your hands. I beg you, just think, please. Yeah, man, I beg you, please. Yes, man. Jano Star no look good star, you know. You see me? It's crime, and you know. All of we go together, star. All of the youths, them. You know what I mean? We see babies having babies. And some of the youth, them will just get them first child. Never live to see the child grow. Because what? Lost his life. Lost his 3 points. Now the kid has to grow without a father. You know? Nah, lie. Born and grown in a garrison. I love the garrison. You see me I say? Now I turn my back on the place star. We just want to youth them for all the crime star. Because a change can happen, you know. A change can happen. Enough youths have opportunity, have the potential, you know, to be have some good footballer, but because there's no way out, they turn to badness, them turn to crime. Man going at them head, influence you, bribe you, boots you, and you end up lose your 3 points. So I beg the youth them to stop the crime star. Christmas will come. Hold the peace, man. Hold the peace. Please. Hold the peace, please. Payneland, Delacree Lane, Village, Peace Corner. The whole vicinity. Right back. Mall Road. Waterhouse. Hold it, youths. We are going to hold it. Opportunities out there. It might be long, but one day it can come true. Your dreams will come true. Just work towards your dreams. Become a musician, become an artist, or a producer. We're not at violence producers. See? Good producers produce good music or any type of music. Just live your life clean and real and honest. We know bad mind are going to come in, temptation are going to come in. Enough man, where's he turn to badness? Enough youths, where's he turn to badness? They mustn't a bad person, but they got drawn out. And this is where, that's the time when you must learn to hold your composure. When a man try to draw you out, you just hold your composure and hold it. Force you got country, your family them. Just avoid crime and violence, because if you follow some people, you're going to get drawn out. You see? And the reason I do that video, star, beg the youth to stop the crime. Hold it, keep the peace. Keep some peace dance, man, and Jano Star. Jano. You know what? I have to come back to Payneland, you know. I have nowhere else to go, you know, and a peace and love me say, you know. I know a change can happen, you know. You know, a change can happen, and that's in my mentality right now, for trying to make a change. Not just for Payneland, but for Village and Delacree Lane and Mackay Lane and, you know, everywhere. From I can help, me I do so. And that's the heart I have. From I can help, I do something, me I do so. You see me? We just want the man, we just want to them for all the peace, star. All the peace. They get me the journey long. I know if I did have it certain way financial wise, maybe enough youth would get opportunity right now. Whether footballing wise or musical wise. You see me, music are the only way out for I and I can set certain things. For the scheme for the garrison, but the glory no come yet, the success no come yet, the dream no fulfill it. But we still have to try to do it and stay positive. You see me? So for the youths, them, I beg on the place. There's a way out, see? Yeah man. We just voice a song with you for DJ Baba. There's a way out. No, DJ Wanted, sorry. Big up DJ Baba. DJ Wanted, my voice it for. There's a way out. See? Youths, put on the guns them now. Don't throw your life away. There is a way out, some way, somehow. Yeah man. Zine, Why make when I done they think it's your turn to give out orders? You know, who for skin for burn? Jamaica, I run where I am concerned. Too much people are dead, I am concerned. That's the song. You see my viewers and subscribers. I'm out. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man.
Who feels it now? Who feels it now? Growing up, my life wasn't easy. Believe me, it wasn't a better house.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.